Cyborgization, advantages, disadvantages, and possible challenges. Cyborgization is the integration of technology into the human body to enhance its functions and restore lost capabilities. This process is becoming increasingly relevant in light of new advancements in bioengineering, prosthetics, and artificial intelligence. Advantages of cyborgization. 1. Restoration of lost functions. The primary goal of cyborgization is to restore lost limbs. Modern prosthetics that can read signals from nerve endings allow users to control them with high precision, significantly improving their quality of life. 2. Life extension. Cyborgization may contribute to life extension by restoring lost functions and improving overall health. Although the replacement of organs with mechanical ones is currently unavailable, cyborgization technologies can help individuals return to an active lifestyle and enhance their overall well-being. Disadvantages and challenges. 1. High costs. The development and implementation of cybernetic technologies requires significant financial investments. This can limit access to such technologies for broad segments of the population. 2. Technical complexities and security. Cyborgization technologies can be susceptible to failures, hacking, or other technical issues. The security of such devices is a crucial concern, as their malfunction can have serious health consequences for users. Implementation challenges. 1. Technical limitations. Despite significant advancements, cyborgization technologies are still in their early stages of development. Prosthetics and implants require further research and improvements to achieve high functionality and reliability. 2. Regulation and standards. The lack of clear standards and norms for cybernetic technologies may hinder their adoption and use in medical practice. 3. Public perception. Public perception of cyborgization and related technologies can vary. Accepting such changes requires time and efforts to inform and educate the population. Conclusion. Cyborgization represents a promising field that could change the approach to restoring and enhancing human functions. The focus should be on restoring lost limbs and extending life. To successfully implement these technologies, it is essential to overcome existing disadvantages and challenges to make cyborgization accessible and effective for everyone.